So today we are going to talk about the diameters of the fetal skull. So before talking about the diameters of fetal skull, it is broadly divided into two types of diameter: anterior to posterior diameter, and transverse diameter. In anterior posterior diameter, there are 6 types of diameters are present. The first one is suboccipitobregmatic. It extends from the nape of the neck to the center of the bregma. Bregma is also called anterior fontanelle, which is diamond shape. It measures 9.5 centimeter. The another diameters are suboccipitofrontal, which extends from the nape of the neck to the anterior end of the anterior fontanelle, and it measures about 10 centimeter. Another diameter is occipitofrontal, which extends from the occipital eminence to the root of the nose, and it measures about 11.5 centimeter. And the another diameter is submentovertical, which extends from the junction of the floor of the mouth with neck to the highest point on the sagittal suture, and it measures about 11.5 centimeter. In this specimen, the dentum is not present. So submentovertical diameter extends from the junction of floor of the mouth with the neck to the highest point of the sagittal suture, and it measures about 11.5 centimeter. The another diameter is submentobregmatic, which extends from the junction of the floor of the mouth with neck to the center of the bregma, and it measures about 9.5 centimeter. Now let's talk about a transverse diameter. So the most important transverse diameter is biparietal diameter, which extends between the two parietal eminences, and it measures about 9.5 centimeter. The other transverse diameters are super subparietal diameter, which extends from the point above one parietal eminence to a point below other parietal eminence, which extends from the above one parietal eminence to the below another parietal eminence. So this is called super subparietal diameter. The other transverse diameters are bitemporal diameter and bimastoid diameter.